Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am with today's drawing tutorial. Introducing the stationery, it is the Staedtler pencil, domes eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And today I am going to use the Staedtler Luna pencil colors. So just showing you the 4 shades that I'll be using in my drawing today. So these are the shades that I'll be using. And today I am going to draw an electric kettle. So starting with the basic drawing with the pencil, first I will be making one oval on the top. Now making one slanting line on one side and the other slanting line on the other side of the drawing, and joining them again with a curved line at the bottom. Now after making this basic shape, I will be starting with the outline with the pen. So making the mouth of the kettle, drawing a slanting line, a curve and then a sleeping line joining to the oval, making a slanting line joining to the slant line of the pencil. Now just outlining the slant line on one side. This is the same line that I have drawn with the pencil before, and then joining the slant line on the other side. So basically I am just outlining the pencil lines that I have drawn before, outlining the curve at the bottom. Now I will be adding one more line, just same as the bottom line that I have drawn. After this I am making the top part of the kettle, so just outlining the oval that I have drawn before. Now I am just doubling this line, so it is the same as the lower line. Now making the lid of the kettle, just making a curve at the top. So this line is little above the oval that I have drawn with the pencil. Now I'll be making the handle of the kettle. So it's a slant line, curved, and then again a slanting line joining to the base of the kettle. And I am just doubling this line. Now making the button. So that is a standing line, sleeping, a bit curved line, and then joining again with a slanting line to the handle. Now here I am making a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a curve at the lower side, and then one more curve at the top. Now after this I will be just doubling these lines, standing line, another standing line, and then making a curve again, both upper side and the lower side. Now inside it I am making 2 sleeping lines and joining with the curves on the side. The curves on the side, again 2 more sleeping lines joining with the curve. So in total we are making 5 of such lines. You can draw it as per the space you have. If you want to increase the number of lines, you can do that. If you want to make lesser number of lines, you can make the changes according to the space that you have. So now once we are done with the drawing and the outline, we are just going to erase the pencil lines that we have drawn before. That was just for our help. Now just erasing the pencil lines as I don't need them now. Now I am starting with the coloring. So this is the red color that I am doing. So just doing it in the lighter tone first, and in this drawing I will be doing shading also. So if you want to do the same colors, you can do the same colors. If you want to change the colors and do some other colors of your choice, you can do that also. So now I am doing the darker tone from the bottom side. So I am putting more pressure on the pencil when I am doing the darker tone, and slowly gradually taking it towards the lighter tone. As I will reduce the pressure on the pencil, it will get light. So doing the darker tone with more pressure on the pencil and then slowly taking it upwards to the lighter tone. So that is how we are going to do shading. Now after doing this red color, I am doing the same color at the bottom also. So again a darker pressure and lighter as I am going up. This is one way of doing it. The other way is that you do the whole of the part in the lighter tone first and then you give the shading. So you can use either of the ways as convenient to you. So we'll be having the little darker tone on the sides as well. So again darker at the bottom and lighter as we are going up. It's a darker at the bottom and lighter as we are going up. Again darker on the sides and lighter as we are coming inside. I hope you are finding this very easy. Step-by-step instructions always makes our drawing easier. So you can just subscribe to my channel for the daily drawing tutorials. And please turn on the bell icon so that you receive the notification as soon as I upload the new video. And also if you want me to draw something specific or anything that you are facing problem in drawing, you can just drop me in the comment section. I will just upload the video of the same for you with all the step-by-step instructions of the particular drawing. So here I am using this dark purple color. So again it will be darker from the lower side and lighter as we are going up. I am using the Kettle Luna pencil. So the link for all these products are available in the description. These are very professional pencils and the texture that you get from these pencils is very good. So again here first I am doing the lighter tone. Again when you are doing the lighter tone, do not leave any spaces in your coloring, otherwise you will not get the smoothness in your coloring. These are some of the basic techniques that makes our drawing perfect. So I am just adding the darker tone from the lower side and lighter as I am going up. And on the lower side I am going darker here and lighter as I am going inside. So again the pressure of the pencil is going to decide the tone in your coloring. So if you hold it softly, you will get the lighter tone. If you put the pressure on the pencil, you will get the darker tone. So here I am done with the coloring in the handle. Now I am giving a dark purple color inside this part. Here I am doing the dark green color. So first I will be giving the lighter tone in my whole drawing. You can do it either in sleeping lines or in standing lines as convenient to you. Just make sure whatever direction you are starting with, you end up in the same direction. And even if you are changing the direction, do not leave the spaces in between your coloring to get the smoothness. Just keep the same pressure on the pencil to get the evenness of the tone. Now adding the darker tone on the side and bringing it inside in the lighter tone. So this will add the roundness to the kettle. Giving it dark here and bringing it inside towards the lighter tone, darker here and light tone as we are going up. So basically on the sides we are going to give the darker tones and the middle part is going to remain lighter. So do share your views about this video in the comment section and like and subscribe to my channel. So we are almost done with our drawing and the coloring. I hope this video is going to help you a lot. And once we know the basic structure of the drawing, it becomes very easy for us to remember how to draw a particular drawing. Do like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So we are done with the drawing for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.